Let's show you how to refresh some outdoor furniture. For this video, I'm using an old wood table with a chevron pattern. Start by cleaning the table and removing the old finish. With a palm sander, use a low grit sandpaper to remove the bulk of the finish and get the surface sanded down. Next, move on to a higher grit sandpaper and repeat the process. This will give the table a smooth finish and remove any sanding rings left from the first step. Once complete, wipe the surface with a tack cloth to remove the dust residue left by sanding, and we can move on to the next step. If you want to stain the piece, this is when you would apply it and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours before moving on to the finish. Because this table has such a nice wood grain, I'm going to skip this step and move right on to the finish. We're using Varathane's premium diamond wood finish exterior in a gloss sheen. This product is crystal clear, has a fast drying finish, and never yellows. The formula includes maximum UV resistance protection, which is important for extending the life of your outdoor furniture. Make sure to stir the can before using. Avoid shaking the can, as this can create bubbles in the finished product. Use a good quality brush and work in long strokes in one direction. This will minimize the streaks in the final product. Allow the finish to dry for at least 2 hours before recoating. You can give the surface a light sand before applying the next coat. Once complete, wait another 90 minutes before enjoying your new piece of outdoor furniture. And there you have it, a refreshed table that looks as good as new.